Brand new, this is exclusive, man. Little Bizzle.
Yo.
Time to do.
Yeah. Go on then.
Yeah, this is region 14. Just fucking bike to Tesco that was time.
Bridge. Tesco, half a bridge.
Quarter to one.
Quarter to one in the morning.
Even hit a house fire off this time, buying a bit more alcohol before I got enough of like random hard nuts. But I'm getting a bit more fucking reserved.
This is actually large. This is
Rather large. No, it's not my feel good shit. No, no.
coming closet. Yo. Is it closed? Oi, oi, use the cash machine, man.
I've used it, I've got to play out.
Good.
Yo.
Yo. This is what they call this place, yeah? Tesco 24/7. What is it called 24? Tesco 24 hours. They reckon they're open 24 hours a day. How can they be open 24 hours a day if they're closed? Well, it was sitting, man. It was a fucking joke. No, they're closed. They're open Monday 8 o'clock. No, it shouldn't be called Tesco 24. They're closed. Saturday.
They are, but now they're fucking... Should we go through Cringleford or should we just go through like...
Nah, come up there. We're going up. We're both...
Should we go straight or should we turn left? Now go straight and then right and then through Lagan.
Sponge.
What time does that
Sponge, you cunt. Sunday, Sunday, till 10, man. One stop table longer than this shithole.
It is, man. If we're coming like Tuesday night, a fucking thing, and we'll do another thing.
Tuesday night.
Come like
I'd say I'm sleep man, yours, Ben.
What?
I'd say I'm sleep
You
man.
can do it, bro. Why?
This is a mate.
Why saying that?
Basically,
I'll start saying on yours.
well, to be honest, it's completely taking the piss, because if it's called Tesco's 24,
I can't believe we're here.
it should be open 24 hours a day.
We're sitting outside Tesco's like fucking 1 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
Are we going to see Senna? Let's watch.
Yeah.
Let's just stand outside all the clubs and watch people
Well,
walk out.
is there actually anything open now?
You're the 24/7 down King Street. There's loads of shit fucking live shows and all.
Right. It's not. We're in half a bridge now. Fuck half a bridge. No.
Just take your bike. Let's go. Go right.
Well, we need to get this. This is hard. This is.
No.
We went Norwich. Last night. This time we're in bed hitting Portland. What?
Pick it up the shit.
Shit! The seat's loose. Tank, I might take the seat off my bike.
What is up your seat?
Keep coming loose. Oh, I got an ankle. When the seat come off, Tank, I'm putting it in your bag and I'm riding that one.
Right, let's go. Let's be going.
Bizzle.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, man. We are now in the sea. What's the time, Tank? 4 minutes past 1 in the morning. Not midnight, 1 in the morning. We're in the middle of Norwich. Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh! I didn't get it.
Go, let's have a look.
I just you obviously aren't doing it right.